Hello, geographers. Today is the day that you've been waiting for since September. Today is the day that you're going to take your AP test. In just a little less than 2 hours, you will be signing on to your test. At this point, everything is in your mind. You need to take a deep breath and relax and know that you have the knowledge that's necessary for you to succeed in this test, okay? This AP test, you have nothing to lose in taking it. There's going to be no bad repercussions no matter how you do. The only thing I would tell you is make sure to turn whatever you write in, because it's better to get points than not get points. Yesterday, overall, the AP board had a 98% turn-in rate, meaning only a few people didn't turn it in, but just make sure that you turn it in on time. Make sure that you know that this is a snapshot in time. This is not anything that will reflect poorly on you. The knowledge that you learned you have, whether or not you get graded in this test or not, it's okay, because you all did very well. And at this point, you've been studying your AP review notes, and you're going and doing the Quizlets and watching some of the live sessions. And you know, the advantage here is that it's limited to the 5 chapters, the first 5 chapters that we studied. And you just have to remember, be calm, write down the structure of your response before you start filling it in, make an outline, and then go to it. I am so proud of you guys. You know, I am so proud of all of you for the work that you've put in. I just want to make sure that at this point you've already signed in, you know your password and your username before you're supposed to sign in at 2:30, okay? So I am wishing you the best of luck. I am so proud of you. I'm so confident that you're going to do well. And you need to tell yourself the same thing, that you are here to do your best, and that is all that matters. Thank you so much for working hard, you guys, and good luck on your test today.